Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're all having an amazing day today. I'm so happy to have you here, and if you're new here, welcome. Whenever I begin to decorate any room or space in a home, my first go-to is updating the lighting. Lighting sets off the vibe and aesthetic of the room. For me, it's one of the most important pieces to start with when designing a room. I will be showing you guys the majority of my light fixtures in several rooms of my home from Lamps Plus. They're my absolute favorite lighting company, you guys. If you didn't know, they also carry furniture, home decor accessories, outdoor furniture, and more. If you have any light fixtures that could use a refresh or have a desire to change the appearance in any space, this video is for you. A new light fixture can enhance the light streaming in all directions, brighten your room, and cast shadows of light in unique ways, allowing you to see your rooms literally in a new light. If you stay watching, you're going to see a sneak peek of my new chandelier I will be featuring as part of my new master bedroom makeover video. I've had so many requests to film my bedroom, and you guys are finally going to get to see my master bedroom makeover very soon. Be on the lookout, you don't want to miss it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification to notify you whenever I upload a new video. Upgrading a dining table or nook area is a great place to start in updating your lighting. I'm sure you all have so many different types of beautiful dining tables and would wonder how big and how high a new chandelier should be. I would recommend selecting one that is at least 1/2 to 3/4 the width of your table. Whether it's you or an electrician that installs a chandelier, ensure it's somewhere between 30 to 32 inches above the table. Make sure to adjust as necessary to the size of your space. This is the Primo Collection 24-inch wide crystal chandelier that we installed in our living room. There's all types of chandeliers that you can pick from, but depending on what material the crystals are made of and how they're cut can make an extreme difference on how it casts light throughout a room. This chandelier uses 14 maximum 60-watt candelabra base bulbs, and we chose to go with LEDs for a brighter room. To brighten up your chandelier, make sure to check out the maximum rated watts for your bulbs in your chandelier. It's never been easier to shop online on their website that provides a vast and lavish selection ranging in all types of budgets and value for everyone. There are so many different lighting options in all shapes and sizes and so much more. Their inventory provides so many options to complement your next home renovation or room makeover. I'm beyond thrilled to share with you guys my new bedroom chandelier. The moment I saw this beauty, I knew it would be the perfect fit for my bedroom. I'm going to unbox this chandelier and hope you like it just as much as I do. Wow, you guys, this is one of the most gorgeous light fixtures I have ever seen. I cannot express enough what an amazing appearance and transformation Lamps Plus lighting has done for my home. This chandelier is a grand statement, and I look forward to having this in our home for many, many years to come and even pass it down to our children someday. I can't wait to share the reveal of my bedroom soon. I hope you guys like this sneak peek of what's to come. Thank you so much to Lamps Plus for sponsoring today's video, and I'll leave all the links for you all to access in the description box. This concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Take care.